Okay, just a small update before I construct the whole DIY trolley all together. So I have my black container with my sign on the front, on my name. You can see down on the left hand side the Rectus female fitting quick release. And then I have my electrical junction box, which I've used as my pump box. Okay. So on the top I have the on-off switch. I've got the volt meter showing the voltage of the battery, and then finally, and at long last, my analog control. At the side, my control panel. Again, the female Rectus quick release fitting for my hose pipe, which is my pole. These two prongs are connected to my battery, which I'll be able to use my solar panel wiring to be able to plug in there to charge up whilst I'm on the go. The backboard, I've mounted some polystyrene on there just to help dampen the sound of the pump, because as I mentioned, I want it running nice and quiet and smooth. Okay, so this is a quick look inside the box. The battery I've mounted on a bed of silicone, okay, to help glue it down. As you saw on my previous video, I've mounted a backboard on, which is also clamping down on the battery, and again underneath that I have silicone to cushion the vibration of the pump. Okay, on-off switch, the voltmeter, and the analog controller, which I've raised up on some wood there to try and get it somewhat level. Okay, to explain the wiring, it's easy on a little demonstration, so if you just bear with me. Okay, it's just very quick and it's early hours in the morning. Okay, so bear with me. So obviously the battery. Okay, you have a direct feed to the on-off switch, and positive going straight to the power in on the analog control. Okay, to complete that circuit, you then need to run the negative wire from the off to the power input of the analog, and then that will complete that circuit. Okay, then connect the pump to the power of the analog. Okay, obviously plus to plus, negative to negative. For the voltmeter to take its reading, just run that from the positive to the positive of the power and negative to negative. Okay, because looking at all those wires, okay, I'm not the best electrician with all the joints. No one's going to see it, so it doesn't really matter, but it might be hard to follow. Whereas for some, this might be more beneficial. Obviously, for many of you, you might know a little bit better than what I do in terms of circuitry. Okay, but hopefully that will be helpful, and then later I will update the log when it's all put together. Okay, thank you.